Well, good evening. You can see Pebbles and Bam Bam up there. Wilma is down on the ground. They were so cute. They were sitting there. Pebbles is chewing on Wilma's bottle. And then over here, I think I'm going to go with the Jetsons kids' names for these two. Where are they? Where did they go? Where did they go? The little boy can be Elroy, and the little girl can be Judy. So we have the Flintstones and the Jetsons. Yeah, I think that they'll be just fine with that. I still need a couple of names for the little goats in the barn. I got a little boy and a little girl. Actually, I got two little boys and a girl. So, I think that'll be pretty fun. Miss Gigi is being the outstanding mom that she always is. So, the horses have been bad horses escaping. So, I'm getting fencing materials. I got a deal set up with one of the Amish guys that's in the area, and he's gonna board some horses on pasture some horses for the summer and early fall, and he put the fence in for me if I supply the materials. So we're gonna build a nice fence, a fence that can double for goats. He was just saying how the goats can be pastured with the horses, and I think in general that's true. I don't know about my horses though, but the goats do get out there with them, and they're pretty cute doing that. Poor Gladys is not any better. Hers the same. Hers eating hay or got some grain. I think she got water too today. She can reach the water. What's the matter, Gracie? Oh, you want to reach, but it's out of your reach, little man. I can't figure it out. Oh, no. Is your sister going to get up there? Oh, Pebbles will get up there. Jasmine wants something to eat. Oh, no. Frig, you should be nice to to everybody. Everybody's taking care of your kids. Miss Jenna's trying to eat some hay. And Miss Jasmine is just doing her little Jasmine things. Where did those babies go? There the babies are. Elroy, you don't do that to your little sister. Or vice versa. I don't know which one is which. At this point, they both will try to mount each other because it's a dominance thing. But not too far in the future, it'll change. We got a few weeks of being cute little goats before they turn into little mites. And they're still cute, but they get a little less cute. Mr. Frost, what do you think? Mr. Raj, I finally talked to Raj. He said that you're the king. That's what Raj means, is king. I don't know exactly what language that would be based on, but he's a good guy, and I like the videos or like the meetings when he's in them. He's a pretty jovial guy, and I like people who want to just have some fun and talk about nonsense like I talk about goats. At least they're not trying to figure out what goats are what. I've had explanations given to them. I've had to explain to them that I have a mixed up mess of goats. But they're mine. And most of them are nice little goats. Yeah. Hi, Gladys. How are you, sweetheart? She can get up and get into stuff. It's just she can't stand. How are you, little Wilma? What are you doing? You're a cute little girl. They're with your brother Bam Bam. And Pebbles has got to be up high because she is just that way. Such a cute little girls and little boys. So, I want to thank you guys for watching, subscribing, talking to my little goats. You guys should leave me some comments with some name suggestions. Any kind of suggestion is good. And I'll try to take some pictures and maybe some video of what the new fencing looks like once we get that started. I'm going to try and pick up some materials tomorrow and see what we get. Miss India says I'm still cute. I'm a cute little girl. Mr. Jerry's up high where he can supervise. Cat's eye view. Oh, Lloyd, you got something to drink? Did you? You're a good little man. So, again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click that little bell icon for notifications. Leave me comments. I need baby names or suggestions on what you'd like to see. And I will talk to you tomorrow. So, good night.